If you watched the last video in this series, then you know how to use the tools and information that we give you at your Success Advantage to create a powerful traffic fire hose. Now you need to know where to point that traffic that generates the most results. Remember, you want to send all your cold traffic to the offer which is most likely to get those visitors to go from stranger to subscriber. The primary funnels at your Success Advantage can be found by clicking on the promotion tools and then referral pages inside the members area. On this page, you can see the different funnels we give you to get more prospects added to your list. You send traffic to these funnels, and when someone fills in the lead capture form, they're under you in the program, and I will promote products to them on your behalf. This page is organized with the currently best converting funnels at the top. You can see next to each one what its conversion rate is. Remember, a lower number of visitors per sign-up is a good thing. Each funnel on the page shows you a thumbnail image of what the lead capture page looks like, the name of the funnel, your own unique lead capture page URL to send visitors to, and the email swipe copy for each funnel. It also lists that funnel's conversion rate, as I mentioned before. Your job is to point that traffic fire hose that we discussed in the traffic video to your own unique link for the funnels with the best conversion rates. Each funnel is different and offers a different appeal to your visitors. Some are blind funnels, which means that it does not mention anywhere in the lead capture page the name of the program they're signing up to get information on. Other funnels are training funnels, where we offer a book, worksheet, or video workshop on a subject in exchange for them giving us their email address. Some funnels tell the visitor about your Success Advantage and why they should give us their email address to get more information about the program. Each one has a different marketing angle and will appeal to different people. There's no such thing as a right or wrong marketing angle, only those that work well and those that don't work as well. What really matters is its conversion rate. That number will give you the clearest indication about what the market thinks about that particular funnel. That being said, there are nuances. One funnel may work better with a particular traffic source. If you're emailing your own list, you might want to use a training funnel so you can turn the promotion into a free training opportunity that you're providing for your subscribers. Be creative and try different ideas to promote the funnels, but use the conversion rates provided as a strong sign of what you should be promoting. Just like with traffic sources, the best converting funnels change frequently. If everyone promotes just the top converting funnel to the same traffic sources, then what happens is it gets saturated. Too many people promoting the same thing, so conversions drop and that funnel may slip from its number one position. Then you want to switch your promotions and use the new number one funnel instead. Of course, the cycle may repeat and you switch again. Keep an eye on the page so that you know that what you're sending your traffic to is the best offer. The other thing that you'll see on this page is new funnels. When the existing funnels are starting to slip in the conversions, I create new funnels with new marketing angles for you to use. New funnels almost always become the top converting funnels for a while, just because they're new. The sooner you can start promoting a new funnel, the higher conversions you'll get. Another reason to check this page frequently. There's another way to add prospects to your list at your Success Advantage. Starting in September with the launch of Unlock Your List, there are other integrated programs that are connected with your Success Advantage. If you join Unlock Your List, for example, and link your account there with your account at your Success Advantage, then every person who joins from your referral link there also gets added as a prospect at your Success Advantage. This turns other programs into lead capture funnels for your Success Advantage. This is a tremendous development that also sets this program above other similar programs online. Why is this so great? Simply because other programs, like when we just launched, often convert traffic into signups at a very high rate. Like I said about new funnels, everybody loves something that's new. Since the key to success in your Success Advantage is to send as much traffic as possible to the highest converting offers, having better converting offers is a great thing. In addition, when you're promoting the referral pages for a program like Unlock Your List, there's an opportunity to earn a commission from your new sign-up quickly in that program. A certain percentage of everyone who joins a quality new program will upgrade their account or make a purchase, especially when the program is new. If you get 100 referrals to that program, you might get a few of them to upgrade and earn some commissions. They also get added to your Success Advantage list, and now I'm promoting other products to them to earn even more commissions. That's the double whammy, but in a good way. I'm upgrading the site shortly, so these third-party funnels will also appear on this page with your referral link for the programs and the current conversion rate. Watch for that soon. We'll discuss more in the next section of the video on how you can link those third-party sites to your account at your Success Advantage. A couple of important notes to help you get better results. When you're copying your referral link for a funnel, make sure you copy and paste the funnel exactly as it appears on this page. If you load the page in a browser, the URL link changes because it redirects to another page. You need to use it exactly as it appears on this page to get credit for the visitor. Each funnel has a link for email swipe copy. Email swipe copy is a sample email that you can use to promote this particular funnel. Each funnel has its own email swipe because every funnel has a different marketing angle. The marketing angle is built into the swipe for that funnel. When using email swipes, it's better to modify the swipe copy to put it into your own words rather than just copying and pasting it right from what I've written. Add your own uniqueness to it, and it will stand out more. If everyone's sending the same emails with the same subject lines to the same people, then your conversions will drop. This is especially true of the subject line. I give you a couple of ideas of subject lines for each swipe, but customize them a bit, even just changing one or two words so they don't match other subject lines in the recipient's inbox. Okay, so now you know the tools and techniques to work on creating your own unique traffic fire hose. You also know how to determine which funnels you should be pointing your traffic fire hose at. If you do that consistently, then you'll start building your list of prospects at your Success Advantage. Each of these prospects will then be promoted via email to join multiple programs under you, each one giving you an opportunity to earn more commissions. Now, let's talk about what you need to do to make sure that your earnings from your list are maximized. Watch the next video on how to maximize your commissions.